homeopathy, but make it make sense. So here's everything I wish somebody had told me when I first bought this Helios kit, which is amazing, but you do just need a few little pointers. So first of all, it comes with this amazing orange book. Mine's all dog-eared because I've used it so much. So what you do is, first of all, actually, put all of this away, right? Say, for instance, you have suddenly come down with a cold and you've got a headache, you've got a runny nose, you've got a bit of a cough, and you feel all achy and fluey. What is it that you want to prescribe on? Because if you go straight into here, you're going to see that there's section for headache, section for cold, section for cough, but you've got all of them. So what should you do? This is why my first tip is put away all the remedies, put away all the books, get yourself a piece of paper and a pen, and you write down all of your symptoms. And you observe your body. And now, what makes it better? What makes it worse? Is it worse at a particular time of day? Are you craving any foods? All this information. So I'm going to write a list actually in the comments. So you should be seeing this video embedded in a blog, and I'm going to put all the questions that you can ask yourself in that blog. So that's going to be a really good place to start. Now, that's step one. And the reason why you need to do that is because if you start reading the books, now I've suggested these ones. I use this Andrew Lockie, and this is a really good one as well. It's just by Marcus Fernandez. He just really lays everything out very clearly. But if you start reading this first, you might, if you're like me, I just got a bit overwhelmed and confused because it's a bit like reading horoscopes. They kind of all make sense, and it's like, oh, I could take any of these. So this is why you do the observing first, answer all the questions, then you know exactly what you're dealing with. Then you can go in either this book or whichever book you choose, and you can read about the remedies. Now remember that homeopathy works on the basis of like cures like. So you are looking for the remedy that most closely matches your symptoms, which is why if you've written them down and you know exactly what you're dealing with, it's easier to make that match. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Then, say for instance, let's go for our cold, and you've got colds in here, this book here, colds, and then you can read about each of the colds. So one might have worse on the left side, watery mucus. One might be more thirsty for cold water. One might be thirstless. So these are the symptoms that are going to help you differentiate between which remedy to take. And hopefully that makes a little bit more sense now. Okay, and if you do have any questions, please do get in touch, drop me an email or book a free discovery call, because I will be happy to help.